You know how to whistle, don't you, Steve? You just put your lips together and blow.
Lauren Bacall, the cool, sultry-voiced icon of Hollywood's golden age of cinema, has died aged 89. Asked in 2009 about her most important film in a career that brought her 2 Tony Awards and a special Oscar, she didn't hesitate.
The ones with Bogey were not mine, they were both of us. So, but the first one, of course, gave me a life, so that obviously is the most special of all.
And the first one she refers to is 1944's To Have and Have Not.
I'm hard to get, Steve. All you have to do is ask me.
You know what you're getting into. It's going to be rough.
Her on-screen magic with Humphrey Bogart was the real thing too. Less than a year after the film's release, the couple, with a 25-year age difference, were married. The legend of Bogey and Bacall was born. They co-starred in 3 more films together: The Big Sleep, Dark Passage, and Key Largo.
Major, were you with George when he died?
Yes.
Was he in very much pain?
He never knew what hit him.
Then, after nearly 12 years of marriage, in 1957 Bogart died from cancer. They had 2 children together. Seen here in 1969 with daughter Leslie and designer Mark Bowen at House of Dior, when Bacall's movie career faded, she returned to theatre. Then rehearsals began for her first big musical, All About Eve, for which she'd receive a Tony Award. In 1996, Bacall was nominated for her first Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress, starring opposite Barbra Streisand in The Mirror Has Two Faces.
I'd like to know what your intentions are.
I'm not interested in sex.
Does anybody...
Although a sentimental favourite, she lost to Juliette Binoche for her performance in The English Patient. Moving into a new century of cinema, seen here at the 2004 Venice Film Festival with director Jonathan Glazer, Bacall hadn't lost any of her on-screen attitude.
Marrying for money is the hardest job there is. You don't get the money, you just get to look at it.
In 2009, Bacall was presented with a special Oscar at the Movie Academy's new Governors Awards Gala. Backstage following the ceremony, she was elated.
Where's your Oscar gonna go? Do you know where you're gonna put it?
No.
Lauren Bacall was among the last of the old-fashioned Hollywood stars. She died at her home in New York, aged 89.